Every time you spend money, there's a tiny choice. A choice you never notice. A choice that decides if you stay stuck or quietly build wealth. Today, I'll show you the $5 rule. The simplest money filter. That saves you thousands without feeling deprived. Most people don't go broke from big mistakes. They go broke from tiny, invisible leaks. A latte because you deserve it. A DoorDash order because you're tired. An Amazon cart full of just small things. Each one feels harmless. But together, they drain you. Quietly. Consistently. Like a bucket full of microscopic holes. You don't notice the leak until your balance hits zero. And you wonder, where did it all go? Your brain has two spending modes. Impulse mode. Fast. Emotional. Dopamine hungry. Always wanting just a little treat. Investor mode. Slow. Calm. Thinking long term. Focused on future stability. Most daily spending comes from impulse mode, not logic. Your brain isn't asking, do I need this? It's asking, will this feel good right now? So how do you break that pattern? How do you interrupt the impulse? In the exact second before money leaves your pocket? With one filter, one question, one rule. The transformation, the $5 rule. Step 1, the 3-second pause. Right before you buy anything. Pause for just 3 seconds. Not long. Just enough time for your brain to switch modes. That tiny pause breaks the impulse spell and returns control to you. Step 2, ask the $5 question. Now ask this. If this cost $5 more, would I still buy it? If your brain instantly answers yes, go ahead. If you hesitate, even for a microsecond, put it back. That hesitation is your deeper brain revealing the truth. The item wasn't important. It was impulse. Step 3, reveal the real value. The $5 rule is not about impulse purchase. Take that exact amount and move it into a future freedom fund, a savings bucket, a brokerage app, anywhere it grows, not disappears. You're not just saving money, you're redirecting power from the impulsive version of you to the stable, future version of you. Step 5, let compounding take over. One skipped snack? Small. One skipped Amazon item? Tiny. But 50 tiny decisions a month? Huge. Over a year? Life-changing. Tiny decisions, giant results. That's how wealth really works. You don't need a bigger salary to change your financial life. You need better choices. Small ones. Simple ones. Consistent ones. The $5 rule is not a restriction. It's a revolution. A rebellion against the old version of you. The one who traded the future for momentary pleasure. Every pause is a vote for a wealthier, clearer, stronger future self. And one day, that future self will thank you for learning the power of just $5. If you want simple psychology rules that make you wealthier and harder to distract, hit subscribe and share this video with someone who needs money clarity today. Your future self is waiting. Let's go get